Okay, I am going to go over the Unit 1, Lesson 5, Formative Assessment. There are 3 problems, so this should be pretty short. So an angle measuring less than 90 degrees, that's an acute angle. An angle measuring exactly 180 degrees, that's a straight angle. An angle measuring exactly 90 degrees is a right angle. And an obtuse angle is an angle measuring more than 90 degrees and less than 180. Number 2, I'm going to move over to another page here and show you this one. Number 2, or slide number 2, says to find the measure of angle HIB. If the measure of angle HIJ is 162 degrees, so I drew that on the diagram in blue, which is why I asked you to draw it on a separate sheet of paper if that's helpful. And the measure of BIJ is 140. I put that in a different color on the diagram as well. Now you can see that they're asking for the measure of HIB, which is going to be 162 degrees minus 140. So the measure of HIB is 22 degrees. And the last problem, number 3, that's a right angle. So those 2 angles together add up to 90 degrees. You need to start with that equation first. I need to see that first. That's the geometry. Now you're done with the geometry and you are going to move on to using your algebra skills from last year. So I didn't show you every single step, but I combined the 2 and the 25 to make it 27. Then I subtracted 27 from both sides. And then I divided both sides by 3. And I got x is 21. I read the problem again, and it said solve for x, so that means we are done. And there's your answer. All right, peace out.